Hi there, my name's Rianna. I'm an English major, so when I'm done with college I plan to become an English teacher. And a fun fact about me is that I collect fish, and I have about 35 right now, just like these guys up here, because they're pretty cool. And for my activity, I'm going to show you guys how to make puppy chow. To make puppy chow, you don't need a whole lot. You need a big container with some kind of lid, a bowl to mix everything up in, some kind of rice or corn squares or whatever you can find a cereal that you like, peanut butter, powdered sugar, chocolate chips, butter, and vanilla, and then some mixing and measuring materials. To start out, you'll want to take your container that has a lid and put all the cereal in it. You'll need 10 cups of cereal, and you just pour it right in, and then you put that off to the side because we don't need it for a little bit. Next, you want to grab your big bowl and 2 cups or one 12-ounce package of chocolate chips. I use the minis because they're really cute, and you pour them right in the bowl. Next, we're going to get 1 cup of peanut butter and add that in. So now we've got the peanut butter in there, and you're just going to add 1 stick of butter, and then you're going to pop that in the microwave for about 30 seconds. If you need help handling hot things, have a parent help you. You're just going to do this for a few minutes, stirring every 15 seconds until the whole thing is smooth. Now that the chocolate is all mixed together, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla and just mix that in the same way we did everything else. Now that you've got your vanilla mixed in, you're just going to pour all the chocolate into your container with your cereal, and then you're going to mix that together as best you can without breaking all the cereal. So you want to just try and stir until all the cereal is coated in chocolate. And you got to make sure you get the bottom parts too, so everything is completely coated in chocolate. Next, we're going to go ahead and pour in about 2 cups of powdered sugar right on top there, and it's going to make a little cloud. It's pretty sweet. And then you put your lid on. I have little snaps, but I'm also going to hold it like this, and you're just going to shake it. When you shake it, you want to make sure you hold on really tight so that your lid doesn't come off, otherwise you're going to get covered in powdered sugar and puppy chow. And if that's not enough powdered sugar to cover all of the cereal, you can always add more. And that's what you're left with. And then you get to eat puppy chow and share with your family. And if this recipe doesn't work for you because you have a nut allergy, you can always replace the peanut butter with any kind of nut-free peanut butter, or you can just double the chocolate that we used and you'll have the same thing. And that's how I make puppy chow. I'm going to put the full recipe at the end, so if you couldn't keep up with me, you can always go to that too. Bye!